No, 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 no!
Giddy, what happened?
Papa, they're giving me drink.
What kind of drink?
Coke.
Coke. Don't drink anything they drink.
Yes, Papa.
Have you heard?
Yes, Papa.
Make sure you don't drink anything.
Yes.
Let me go and buy you Coke. What is Coke? Come on, Coke. Even if it's food, make sure you don't eat.
Yes, Papa.
Eat. Come on, Coke. Let me go and buy you Coke.
It is against his plans me to drink today.
Giddy, take Coke.
Thank you, Papa.
Drink. What is Coke? Come on, Coke. Drink.
Papa, please, a Coke.
Drink Coke.
Chai, that people they want to winch me. Give me common Coke. What my papa feel buy? No, no, no! Don't give me that money! 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 I don't want to collect that money! No, no, no!
Giddy, what happened again?
Papa, they're giving me money. I don't want that money.
Money?
Yes.
Is that how much is the money?
Papa, just 200.
Come on, 200 naira.
Yes, Papa.
What is 200 naira? I will give you 200 naira. I will give you 200.
Yes,
I
Papa.
must give you 200 naira.
Yes, Papa.
What is 200 naira?
Yes.
Take 200 naira. For what? Now go to sleep. Make sure you don't tell anyone in the dream again.
Yes,
For
Papa.
what?
No, no, no! I don't want that money! I don't want it! I don't want that money! I don't want that! No!
Giddy, not again. Now what happened again?
Papa, they're still giving me money. I don't know.
Money again?
Yes.
How much is the money?
Papa, 2 million.
Do nothing.
2 million, Papa. Yeah.
Are you sure it's 2 million naira?
Yes, Papa.
2 million? Have you even seen the money?
Yes. Yes.
In the briefcase?
Yes. They
Giddy,
give
you
me
are
check.
mad. Giddy, you are very stupid. No, I will show you. Oh, 2 million naira and you did not collect. Go back to sleep. Make sure you collect that money.
Papa,
Giddy, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Live Nation Entertainment.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching Live Nation Entertainment comedy video. See you on Monday.
Wait, Johnny, wait. Giddy, give me that one before I
I
forget.
think so that you
So the
don't
is not finished.
I used to have
Why,
died, but you
200?
will give me this one.
You guys, if they give you 2 million for drip, collect to no be smart thing be that too. Alright, distinguished ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna make you laugh next time. And also you can book us.
For any event with the number showing on your screen, but not burial.
And ladies and gentlemen, please, we are begging you, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is very necessary to us. We need you to subscribe so that you
We'll
can
put
follow us.
coupon code.
Thank you very much. See you.
Bagam.
See you.
Bagam.
Bagam.
Bagam.